In the volatile cryptocurrency market, stablecoins are still the subject of much attention, and Tether, the largest stablecoin in the cryptocurrency market, has naturally become the center of market attention. Let's go to know how Tether maintains its value equal to US dollar. Hi again, here in Crypto Market, we go over everything that you need to know in order to get started. In this video, I'm gonna answer these questions. What is Tether? Who is behind it? What are stablecoins and how does Tether work and maintain its value? Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more crypto videos. Tether was one of the first cryptocurrencies to peg its market value to a fiat currency. Tether, originally called Realcoin, valued each token at $1 to reduce the friction of moving real currency throughout the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Because of that peg to a stable fiat currency, Tether and other similar cryptocurrencies have been dubbed stablecoins. Tether was launched in 2014 by iPhoenix, a company registered in Hong Kong, with the idea of creating an unfluctuating digital cash with a valuation that mirrors that of the US dollar. There are 5 Tether crypto tokens in circulation today: USDT, EURT, MXNT, CNHT, and XAUT. The value of each is pegged at a ratio of 1:1 to the US dollar, euro, Mexican peso, offshore Chinese yuan, and a troy ounce of gold, respectively. Stablecoins were meant to provide a solution to the problem of volatility. Their aim is to copy traditional currencies, but with the added benefits of blockchain technology. Digital money has existed for decades within the banking system in the form of reserves, but what makes stablecoins different is that they can be held by individuals rather than a bank. It is digital pocket change held in your digital wallet rather than a bank account. While many see Bitcoin as digital gold, stablecoins are different. Bitcoin derives its value partly from the costs involved in creating or mining new coins, but also from demand in the market. This has similarities with gold, where the value goes beyond its mining, recycling, and storage cost. A stablecoin derives its value from being pegged against a currency such as the dollar. When you give up your fiat money in exchange for USDT tokens through a cryptocurrency exchange platform, you receive the equivalent number of tokens for the amount of money used for the purchase. If a token costs $1, you receive 500 tokens for buying with $500. Afterwards, you can send them to someone else, exchange for other currencies, or store them in a wallet. Tether coins are destroyed and removed from circulation when users redeem the tokens for fiat currency. Tether, with a current market capitalization of $66 billion US, moves across blockchains like many other digital currencies. It was based initially on the Omni layer, a transport protocol on the Bitcoin blockchain. In September 2017, Tether was launched in the Ethereum blockchain to accelerate adoption. Tether's Ethereum version is now the most popular Tether token type. Currently, while USDT is available across many blockchains, its usage on Ethereum and Tron is the highest. Thanks for watching and supporting us.